qu'on voit danser le long des golfes clairs. Ah, les reflets d'argent.
I really enjoyed these sessions, especially a lovely way of giving the informations.
What kind of work do you do?
ايه نوع الشغل بتاعك؟
أنا ممثل ومخرج وساعات بشتغل كلاون في حفلات يعني.
He's actor and director and sometimes he does a clowning at parties.
كتير جدا.
Yeah, it does. It affects it a lot.
في تطور، حاسس ان انا هطلع من الورشه هطور حاجات في شغلي.
And he developed a lot and is going to develop his work.
فكرة الكلاون نفسها بتحقق تواصل مختلف. نوع الكلاون مختلف في فن الأداء عن باقي أنواع المؤديين. التواصل مع الجمهور في الكلاون مختلف. أنا كنت عايز أتعلم شكل التواصل بالنسبة للكلاون مع الجمهور شكله عامل إزاي، وده فعلا اتحقق هنا. ده غير ال اتكلم انا اسف.
The clowning achieves a lot of connection between the actor and the audience instead of the other types of acting.
بس كده
Have you ever made a puppet before? No. So, first time, brilliant, lovely.
تكنيكس كتير وعندني العاب كتيره اعرف استفاد منها في شغلي وكمان الخبره الالعاب جديده.
The most useful part and the new for me is to make a connection with the people, not to get feeling worried to finish my step in the stage. I have to wait and make everything little by little, and the comedy and the funny parts are at those moments.
And do you see the connection with that principle and then the puppet work? Is there any connection, or am I putting two things together in a strange way?
No, I didn't find it strange. The workshop was organized and the exercises, all of the exercises lead to each other, so it was very organized and my memory can know where we will go, so it was very nice to me.
La mer au ciel d'été.
I loved it so much.
Have you ever done that sort of thing before?
No, even I didn't know that we are going to do that in the sessions. The clown is made to make adults laugh. It's not only for children. This is a new point for me.
One of them is about my some trainings you gave us did mark in my head, and I think I will work on them more. Like you said today, it's not to hide. The clown is not supposed to hide, and the idea of is the audience love, is there is someone love, I was surprised actually, because I thought that there are specific artists that can make audience love and other artists that they will not make the audience love. But the truth is, it's all about the connection, and no, it can happen.
Yes.
I was so impressed by it, because make him go and try again and go and try again. Is someone laughing? No. Is someone laughing? And by the end, actually we laughed. So it's not impossible.
And this is my first time to join the clown and dormitory workshop, but it's more experience for me, and I learned a lot from Richard. It's a big learn from him.
I hope that the little film thing is also useful.
أنا أصلاً مجال شغلي مع الأطفال بقالي فترة كبيرة بشتغل مع الأطفال وبشتغل كمان في مجال العرايس بقالي فترة. حسيت هنا إن أنا اتعلمت حاجات جديدة ممكن أفيدهم بيها.
Director.
Yeah.
And was there anything from watching the...
I'm gonna use the clowning part for my next play.
Brilliant.
And I wish you can come and watch it.
I would love to.
Confond ces blancs moutons avec les anges si purs, la mer, bergère d'azur.